All right, so think about it. Those massive income streams, like Netflix, Amazon, Disney Plus, just billions flowing in, right?
Oh, yeah.
And I bet you've thought about it too. Like, could I just, I don't know, grab a tiny little piece of that?
Yeah.
Well, that's what we're going to deep dive into today, something called the Netflix Cash Loophole system.
Okay.
So this is all about potentially tapping into similar money-making models like those streaming giants.
Interesting.
And the core promise here is you profit from this hidden online gold mine, they call it, just by sharing videos.
Sharing videos to make money, huh?
Yeah, so I mean, in today's online space, that definitely raises an eyebrow, right?
Sure.
But what's interesting is the material we've got here is suggesting you might not need millions of followers
Oh,
to
yeah.
actually see some returns. So that's kind of refreshing.
Yeah, so how could this actually work?
Right.
I mean, think about it. Netflix is basically distributing content people pay to watch it.
Right.
Could this loophole be like a micro version of that somehow?
Yeah.
Like, are they using specific platforms or methods of sharing that tap into like an existing demand?
Exactly. And that leads to a lot of questions.
Oh, yeah.
Like, is this even legit?
Right.
The sources we have actually have people looking for reviews for 2025.
Wow.
So it's definitely on people's radar.
So are they asking the same things we are?
Oh, yeah. They're wondering, is there an app?
Okay.
What's the product you get? What are the costs?
Right, because those are huge.
Yeah. Are there hidden fees?
You got it.
Are there bonuses? Is there an official website?
Yeah, those things add legitimacy.
Exactly. Or they raise a red flag if they're not there.
Totally.
What are people saying about it? Are the reviews out there?
Yeah. What's the experience actually like?
Right. Is there a demo or a tutorial? Because it shows you they're willing to let you see how it works
Right.
before you commit.
Makes sense.
Is it easy for beginners? How fast can you see results?
Those are good questions.
And then you get into the real nitty-gritty details,
Yeah.
like, do you need your own website? Because that could be a barrier for a lot of people.
Absolutely.
And the big question, is it a scam?
Oh, yeah. That's always top of mind with online stuff.
Always, right? Can you do it from your phone? How often do you get paid?
Yeah, the logistics.
Right? What kind of content are you even creating?
Yeah, is it on you to make it, or does the system do it for you?
Right. And can you do this internationally?
Expands the market.
Right? Is it a one-time payment or a subscription?
Yeah, good question.
What kind of support do they offer?
Support is so important.
It can make or break it.
Oh, for sure.
Do you have to pay for traffic to make this thing work?
Ah, okay, so another cost consideration.
And for a lot of folks, can you actually replace your income with this?
The dream.
Right? And what makes this different from all the other stuff out there?
Right. What's their unique angle?
So to wrap all this up,
Okay.
the Netflix Cash Loophole system, it's all about potentially making money by sharing videos, like those streaming platforms we all know and love. And we've covered a lot of the things you'd want to know, like what it is, how much it costs, what people are saying.
Yeah, so the big question is, could this be like a real game changer?
Right?
A new way to earn online? Or is this just another fad that's going to disappear?
Yeah. What parts of this stood out to you? What would you want to look into first?
Lots to think about.
Definitely. All right. That's it for a deep dive today. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah.
And don't forget to check out our other videos.
Later.
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.